How to put music from your laptop to a USB drive. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to easily transfer music from your laptop to your USB drive. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is press Windows plus E on your laptop to open up your File Explorer. Now, what you need to do is insert your USB drive like this. And once you insert your USB drive, a new window will appear where you have all of your files in your drive. Now you just need to locate your music. So I'm just going to head over to the music section and you can just copy any music you want from here. So let's say if I just copy these music from Coldplay, I'm just going to select all of these from here up to here. You just have to select the music that you want to share, right click on it, and then click on copy. Once you do that, head over to your E drive. I'm going to make a new folder right here. Right click on it to create a new folder, and I'm going to name it music. Once you do that, just press enter to open the folder. Right click on it to paste, or you can just click Ctrl plus V to paste. Now the transferring is happening. So while this is completing, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So once the transfer is complete, your music has been transferred to your USB drive. So that's pretty straightforward. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next video.